Hi there, I'm Shay Rippinger, and I'm going to give you a really fun, easy grip beginner hoop move. And it is an off-body schmear. Okay, so you can use any size hoop with this. You can even use a small one, or you can use a large one. Your grip is going to be a little bit different on this. But what you're going to be is on equidistant size of the hoop, and you're going to be moving this around. So you're going to be equal and parallel to the ground. So the hoop is going to be exactly parallel to the ground. Now you can do this sitting or standing. I'll demonstrate both. I'll demonstrate close up, sitting first. So we're just going to simply tilt the hoop down and back and around, and we're going in one direction. Now you can leave the body up and just move the hoop. It's a lovely hoop move, and this looks great with an LED hoop. So you can also go in the other direction, slow around. Now, one of the key points that makes this a really neat move is that you are staying smack dab in the center of your hoop. So smack dab right here, but on a horizontal plane. So we're just bringing this around. So just the hoop is moving. So you can do it as just an arm movement either direction, or you can actually add in a little bit of wobble with this. Wobble, 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 and it is a fun move. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate this standing up. So same thing, you're going to take this and you're going to have the inside grip, and you're just gently bringing it. You can bring this to waist height. You can bring this up and down. So I'll give you some cool variations with this. So again, we're just bringing this around, around, around. So you can bring it this way or around. And you can also add turns to that. So it's a fun move. You can go in either direction. You can add that wobble, and you can also add levels to this too. So even though it's a beginner move, you can do lots of neat things with it. So I hope you've enjoyed this move. Rock on, peace out. And if you want more, please subscribe to my channel on YouTube, and then also hit the thumbs up, notifications on, and you can also learn with me with the happy hooping habit as well. So I hope to see you in the hoop. Welcome to the circle. All right, bye.